Dr. Mirza, there have been major clinical research advances in gynecological cancer trials over the past years. Which ones stand out most?
I believe that something what would you say in general is that we have in the last few years or last decade really picked up the pace to do clinical trials in endometrial cancer. We have been most of the time concentrating on ovarian cancer. Endometrial cancer was like a Cinderella disease or whatever you call it. But now we have found out, especially after that we have the TCGA data, the genomic classification, we have really picked up trying to do trials with innovative drugs. And that's the drive behind it.
What are the best designs for clinical trials with targeted therapies?
Well, first of all, targeted therapies, we need to have biomarkers and many times we call targeted therapies, but they don't have any biomarker behind it. A typical example is anti-angiogenic treatment. We never found anything which is really a good biomarker for that. Second is PARP inhibitors. Apart from the BRCA mutation, we don't have a biomarker or negative predictive marker which can tell us which of the patients who are not going to have efficacy in ovarian cancer. So I think this is an area we have to really work hard to find the biomarkers, and we have to derive biomarker planned, prospectively biomarker-driven clinical trials. Very important is to do these trials with targeted therapies, either as basket to get these, when you know which mutation you're looking at and which drug you need, the druggable, then you try to find in each and every disease which of the drug you would like to treat. These 5% of the patients from endometrial, 3% of the patients from ovarian, and so on and so on. So these are the trials which will bring us faster to get these drugs in the clinic.
You're about to present new medical therapies in endometrial cancer. Which current data will you be showing?
I would be showing the data from the trials which have just reported their results, or the trials which are ongoing, and the future perspective, where we're going from here.
Also, you just mentioned PARP inhibitors, which patients might not benefit, or that you're looking at finding out which patients might not benefit from the therapy. Which patients do benefit from the therapy already?
For endometrial cancer, we are not there yet. Okay. We have to do these trials, we have to finish these trials to know if there is a place. I'm sure PARP inhibitors, maybe not alone, with an anti-angiogenic agent like bevacizumab, or maybe a checkpoint inhibitor would have a very good synergism in endometrial cancer. But these trials needed to be done and are planned and will be done.
PARP inhibitors were often referred to as a game changer. Do you agree with that, or was that
in ovarian? Yes, absolutely. I mean, it has changed, completely changed the way we manage our patients, how we think about our patients. We thought that these patients, when they relapse, they are going to die of the disease very soon, sooner or later. Today, you can tell the patient, you don't need not to die of your disease. You will probably die with the disease of something else. So it is definitely a game changer. And now in the first line, when we see the results in ovarian cancer, I am starting believing maybe some small part of these patients are being cured. We don't know yet, we have to see. So yes, that is the game changer.
Dr. Mirza, thank you very much for all your insights. Thank you.